In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up goals in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. By the end of this session, you'll be able to create and track meaningful goals for your business directly within the HubSpot platform. First, let's get started by visiting the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for all things related to HubSpot, so it's a great starting point for setting up your goals. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in and on the HubSpot homepage, the next step is to navigate to the Reporting section. Reporting is a vital component of understanding how your business is performing against its objectives. To do this, simply look for a menu item or tab labeled Reporting and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage various reports and analytics. Once you're in the reporting section, the next step is to locate and click on Goals. This section is specifically designed to help you establish, manage, and track the various goals that are essential to your business. By using this feature, you can set sales targets, marketing objectives, or other business milestones that you want to achieve over a specific period. With that section open, you should now see an option to create goal. Click this button to start defining your goal. This will bring up a new screen where you can input the details of your goal. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve. Having a clear and specific goal in mind is crucial. Once you've clicked on Create Goal, you'll be prompted to enter various details about the goal. This might include selecting a goal type, setting a numerical target, and choosing a time frame. Make sure each element aligns with your business strategy and is realistically attainable given your resources and time frame. Remember, a well-structured goal not only inspires action, but also provides clear criteria for success. Take your time to review the details of your goal before finalizing it. It's worth double-checking everything to ensure that the goal is both ambitious and achievable. When you're satisfied with the setup, click the Save or Finalize button. This will add the goal to your HubSpot dashboard, where it will be actively tracked as you work towards achieving it. And there you have it, your goal is now officially part of your HubSpot account. By following these steps, you can create a structured approach to achieving your business objectives with the help of HubSpot's powerful tools. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to make the most out of HubSpot's features.